Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Do we like this filming setup? Do we like that we can see my feet literally right there in the mirror? Now you're not gonna be able to unsee it. You're welcome. I'm super pumped for today's video. I've been waiting for what feels like forever to open this guy right here. It is the Spring 2019 Fabfitfun box. It's actually probably only been 3 days, but I didn't want to cheat, even though I do know a little bit of what's inside, because you can customize it. So I personally picked out some of the items in here, but I also have a really bad memory, so I don't quite remember what's in here. I know one item and I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna start with it. Okay, oh my God, don't do what I just did. Here we go. Oh my God, it's really heavy. Here it is, guys, the new Spring 2019 box. I am partnered with Fabfitfun for today's video, so I do have a $10 off coupon if you are new. The code is just BB10, gives you $10 off. The box is normally $49.99. With the $10 off, you can get it for under $40, and the box is worth over $200. As always, I'm going to calculate how much my box is worth and what kind of a deal we exactly got. This subscription box is different for a few reasons than the majority of others. One, because it's seasonal, so you have winter, fall, spring, summer, and it's not just like makeup, beauty stuff, but you also get skincare, fitness, fashion, lifestyle, all the goods. All right, guys, enough rambling. Let's see what's inside my box. The first item, and I'm so excited, this is one I picked out. Honestly, it makes the value of the box like already worth it just with this one. This was a customizable item. They are the Quay Australia Vivienne sunglasses. Here we are. Let's see what they look like on me. Ooh, I actually really like them. I love Quay sunglasses. They normally retail for like around 60 bucks. The fact that you get this and then like a ton of other stuff is just crazy to me, because I would have paid $49.99 just for these. And they come with a leather pouch, just like normal. Yeah, what a freaking steal. And yes, I just checked, these sunglasses retail for $60. Next up, we have a product name I always say wrong. Is it Ouai? I forget, but I love this brand. This is a brand I'm pretty familiar with, even though I don't know how to say their name correctly, but I have not tried the leave-in conditioner. I used the hair oil today. I use it whenever I straighten my hair, and I use their texturizing spray pretty much every time I curl my hair. They are a fantastic yet an expensive brand, so I'm excited to get to try this out. The Ouai leave-in conditioner retails for $26. Next, we have an item I've never heard of, or brand. It's called Lavido. It is a citrus-scented body lotion. What do you smell like? It smells like, oh, once you like swirl it around in your hands, then you get citrus. Before I was gonna say it smells like honest, like baby lotion, natural stuff. But now I'm getting citrus. Once you rub it in, it smells like lemon and orange. And the retail price for the body lotion is $19. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye De-Puffing Gel. It says it visibly reduces the look of under eye bags and dark circles, which, yes, please put that all in my face, which normally retails for $42. This is an expensive product. So I'm gonna give it a go, and if I'm looking well rested in the future, then we know what it is. Next up, we have our first fitness item. This is the 11 by Venus jump rope. I used to love jump roping and like hula hooping, and I have just like recently, like 4 months ago, got a gym membership. So I've been getting into fitness. So I'm excited to play around with something like this. They do not have jump ropes at my gym. I see people doing it, and I'm assuming they're just bringing their own, so now I can too. And this jump rope retails for $15. Let's see this guy in action. So this is actually, I was reading the box, Venus Williams, the tennis player. This is her brand of jump rope. She's a boss woman. She probably knows what she's doing. Now, I'm gonna be a boss woman, jump roping a cardio away. This next item is by far the most expensive item in my box. It is the Show Me Your Mumu. Obviously, I just have like a speech impediment and we're just gonna move forward, but it retails for $84. This was a customizable item. I forget what the other options were. I think one was a backpack or like an aromatherapy thing. I do not have a lightweight springtime robe, and it gets super hot where I live, like 115 degrees. So this is gonna come in handy for spring and summer. I'm filming. Can I call you back? I love you.
Okay.
Okay, bye. This next item is so cute. It has little bumblebees on it. It is the Sip by Swell little thermos bottle. It can do hot and cold. It retails for $19.99. I do have one of these. I only have one though, so it is nice. One's in the wash, you can do the other one, and you don't have to do your dishes because you're lazy. And very last in my box, we have this champagne charcoal scrub. I have never heard of those things together, so this is really interesting. It is from the brand Manna Kadar. I have not heard of them, obviously, because I can't say it. Retails for, I believe, $24. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that scent? It smells like something, ooh, I know what it smells like. It smells like the Too Faced scented peach stuff. Why does it smell like sweet peach to me? You know what? It smells like a peach Bellini. I am getting champagne, but I'm getting peach. Okay, let me know if you got this in your box or if you have used this before and you agree with me, you smell a peach Bellini. And that is everything. That's what's inside my spring box. If you have any questions about anything that I showed, by the time I edit this and post it, I will have tried everything. So you can just ask me in the comments down below and I will let you know my thoughts. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!